Homestead.
Today is Monday, October 7th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to
This or That.
Today's first question is for Rocco. Rocco, do you prefer cookies or ice cream sandwiches?
I have to go with brownies,
That wasn't an answer.
but chocolate chips. If you put them with 6 chocolate chips, it tastes so
just
good.
get to the announcements.
And then I saw this old lady down my block giving out some cookies for free, and I thought she made them.
Please. It was a this or that question.
I picked that.
I didn't ask for an essay. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go!